Welcome back. In this video I will guide you why your quick access toolbar is not showing in Excel, Word or PowerPoint or even in Outlook. So if the toolbar has disappeared from the top of your window like this one, there is no toolbar appearing here. So in the first method you need to check the ribbon display option. For this you need to click the ribbon display option icon, the small arrow or a box in the top right corner near the minimize button. You need to click it down and show the quick access toolbar is checked. And now the toolbar is back on the top. So sometimes you need to check below the ribbon. Sometimes it just moves. Look directly below your menu tabs. If you find it and then right click and click on the show quick access toolbar above the ribbon. So it has been instantly moved to the standard position. So in sometimes you have to use the context menu. For this you need to right click anywhere on the ribbon tabs like home or insert and select the show quick access toolbar. And here it is back again. So there may be another cause of toolbar is not showing. You need to check the file option to reset again. So for this you need to go to the file, click on more, click on the options and click on the quick access toolbar and check the show quick access toolbar is checked or not. You need to check it and click OK. And here you can see that the access toolbar is back on the top. So this way you can easily check why a quick access toolbar is not showing in Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint or Outlook even. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.